Welcome to this lecture. I'm Dr. Azad Rasul, and today we are diving into importing and cleaning datasets. In this lecture, we are learning how to import a CSV file into Jupyter Notebook, inspect it for issues like missing values or outliers, and clean it using Python's Pandas library. By the end, you'll be ready to pre-processing data. Let's fire Jupyter Notebook and get started. Conda activate. My environment, TF GPU, then Jupyter Notebook. Click New and choose Python with your preferred kernel. Rename it. Importing and cleaning datasets. For this lecture, you will use a crop health dataset. It is a CSV file called crop_health.csv containing features like NDVI, normalized difference vegetation index, soil moisture, and health, healthy or unhealthy. Here is how to import it using Pandas, a powerful library for data manipulation. Import Pandas as PD df data frame equal td dot read csv my path to the file udemy python for AI and ML data folder and the name of the file crop health.csv. Then print df from data frame print head. This loads the CSV file into Pandas data frame, a table-like structure, and print df.head shows the first 5 rows. You should see columns like NDVI, soil moisture, and health. To use this code, place crop health CSV in your notebook's working directory or specify the full path. We have NDVI, soil moisture, and health column. Before we can use the dataset, we need to understand the structure and check for issues. Let's inspect our crop health dataset with these commands. Print df dot info. print df dot describe. And the output classes pandas.core.frame data frame range index from 0 to 999 NDVI non-null count 952 data type fluid 64 soil moisture non-null count 950 and fluid 64 health 1000 non-null count data type object. Cleaning the dataset. Now let's clean the dataset to make it ready for using. You will handle three common issues: missing values, outliers, and incorrect data formats. Here's how to do it with the Pandas. First, check for missing values. Start by identifying nulls. Print df dot is null dot sum. In the output, NDVI has 84 missing values, soil moisture 50 missing values, and health column with no missing value. We can fill them with the columns mean, for example, to keep the data usable. df soil moisture equal df soil moisture dot fill na df use mean value. Let's print it again. After filling soil moisture missing data. Now we have 48 missing value for NDVI and missing value for soil moisture is filled. Now, in the same way, we fill missing value of NDVI. df NDVI equal df NDVI dot fill NA using df NDVI dot mean value. Let's print null value again. Now all missing values is filled. Next step, handle outliers. Outliers like NDVI of 999 are errors since NDVI must be between -1 to 1. Let's cap NDVI to its valid range. df NDVI equal data frame df NDVI dot clip lower equal -1 and upper equal +1. This sets any NDVI below -1 to -1 and above 1 to 1, preserving data without removing rows. Now convert labels. Our health column is text, healthy or unhealthy, but AI and ML models need numbers. Convert it to binary, 0 for unhealthy and 1 for healthy. Data frame, health, columns name, equal, df, health, dot map, healthy, equal 1, and healthy, equal 0. Now we can run df.info. The health column data type changed to integer 64 and all missing values filled. Congratulations, we have learned how to import CSV dataset into Jupyter Notebook, inspect it for issues, and clean it by handling missing values, outliers, and data formats. These skills are essential for preparing data. For practice, complete the coding exercise to import and clean your own dataset, and take the quiz to test your understanding. Share your cleaned dataset states in the Q&A forum. I'd love to see your results. Let's keep building your data science skills.